This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Tuesday, March 11th. Carnival is getting 2 more ships this month. After 92 years, P&O Cruises Australia is officially ceasing operations this week. Pacific Adventure sailed out of Sydney Harbour yesterday for its final voyage with P&O Australia. The ship will return to Sydney on the 14th, where it'll begin its transition into Carnival Adventure. Meanwhile, Pacific Encounter ended its cruise today. Both ships will undergo a 2-week wet dock in Melbourne before joining the Carnival Cruises Australia fleet this spring. P&O's website is officially offline and now redirects to carnival.com. And a couple celebrating their 26th anniversary aboard Carnival Magic had their luggage returned weeks after their sailing, only to find several items missing. Jason and Tammy Merritt from Oklahoma tracked the bag's location with their Apple AirPods and repeatedly informed Carnival staff, but their claims were dismissed. Now, the suitcase was eventually found on board, missing about 39 items, including an iPad, prescription glasses, and a CPAP machine. Carnival later told them that another passenger had stolen the bag, but they allowed them to leave without consequences. The Merritts plan to take legal action, saying that the cruise line's compensation offer was inadequate. They hope to win this case. And several cruise ships are undergoing dry docks this month for refurbishments, maintenance, and brand conversions. A report compiled by Cruise Industry News details Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas in Spain for upgrades, including new dining venues and a revamped pool deck. Meanwhile, Cunard's Queen Elizabeth is in Singapore for routine maintenance and venue updates. The Star Voyager, formerly Pacific Explorer, is also in Singapore preparing for its debut under the Star Cruises brand. Meanwhile, Majestic Princess is in Italy for scheduled maintenance before resuming service next month. And cruise line stocks were all red on Monday. Carnival Corporation down 7.5%, 19.08. Royal Caribbean down 3%, 207.18. Norwegian down 6.5%, 18.76. And Viking down 2%, 42.75. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Tuesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.